Welcome. Let's talk about Teona Classic LUNC. Yes, you can easily turn $63 investment into over $6,300. Okay, now I just want to talk a little bit. I don't want to go deeper by mentioning someone buying coins worth of over $100 or $200. I want to mention something you can actually buy and stake. Actually, for me, I normally stake my crypto coins, but I actually have a number of crypto coins I do stake on Binance or Kucoin on crypto.com. But remember, if you are staking your coin, you must stake what you can afford to lose, because anything might happen within the period of your staking. But with staking, of course, you make more coins, more money. Now, for me, if you invest $3 right now on Teona Classic, whether you're using Binance, whether you're using Kucoin, whether you're using crypto.com, $63 will be I think you should be buying about over 500,000 coins of Teona Classic. Yes, $63 will give you about 500,000 coins of Teona Classic. Now, if we decide to keep staking this amount, okay, if you keep staking this amount, you'll be gaining a lot, because some coins, some percentage will be returned to you as a profit. Now, if this coin start rising and we see Teona Classic at 1 cent, then your money will be worth about $6,325 at the time of recording days. Okay, that simply means you must have earned about $6,250 profit with an investment of just $63. So please remember, you can still invest $50, you can invest $20, you can invest 10, you can invest 5, you can invest 1, just whatever you can afford. So I'm just trying to use 500,000 LUNC coins as an example. So you can buy 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 10,000, 20,000, whatever you can afford to lose. So the essence is that if we can buy what we can afford to lose, then we keep staking this coin. Okay, we are going to gain a lot in the period of 1 year. Then secondly, if Teona Classic within this period hit 1 cent, our money will be worth over $6,300 profit. And that, for me, is a great return on investment, is a great ROI, is a great profit. So remember, this is not a financial advice. Please, this is not a financial advice. So please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to buy what you can afford to lose.